We're recording. So Roshan, could you please introduce yourself for our viewers?
Yeah, hi. My name is Roshan. I work as a research associate, and this is not purely into equity analysis. That is why I thought that I should be taking up this course, and I got in touch with Consky. About Consky, I would like to tell that Consky has been more serious about my career into equity research than myself, and the kind of coaching that was given with the flaws that are into this field, with specifically the experiences that the teachers themselves have gone through. I found it to be good enough to say, but the experience was wonderful, and it's just a matter of time that all the material that is bombarded, can be with practice. Possibly, I would
Got that.
get on to hands-on.
So apart from MBA Finance, what do you think you learned something new in when you came to the workshop?
Well, with regards to apart from MBA Finance, in fact, I could tell you that the things that were taught in Consky are something that are expected in the industry, and that I got to know from the job alerts that I get on various portals, because of the conditions and the terms and conditions that the companies kind of ask for. Generally, they ask for financial modeling, equity analysis, and they say that we need people with 2 to 4 years of relevant experience.
Right.
And about MBA Finance, in fact, these things are just not taught out there. Specifically, maybe because the MMS degree doesn't have these things incorporated in the syllabus, and the teachers also may not have the time per se to conduct additional workshops. And I did hear from some other friends also that there are equity research workshops which are conducted at their colleges, but that's like a 2-day workshop or a weekend workshop. So I personally don't feel that anyone could really learn to that extent in a just consolidated 2 days time. So separate coaching at your own pace is something that will help.
Okay.
Ideally, if not, if it is a part of syllabus, core syllabus only, then. So I guess Consky has done the job.
Thank you very much. Now, your views about the trainer, Mr. Harshad Deshpande.
He was good. I mean, what else could I say?
No, we would also like to know that if the people who want to join the workshop, what kind of feedback would you give them? What can they expect from the workshop?
Yes, if they do want to take up equity analysis on a serious note, then Consky will fill in the gaps.
Okay.
All the gaps possibly.
Thank you very much, Roshan.
Yeah.